Guangdong Zhongchuang Mechanical Technology Company Limited locates in Shantou City, Guangdong Province, and is a professional manufacturer in fields of soft packaging machinery. With extensive experience in packaging machinery industry, the company integrates product design, R&D, production, marketing, and sales into a comprehensive operation. It features modern workshops spanning 1,000 square meters, equipped with complete supporting facilities dedicated to producing various types of soft packaging machines, such as Premade pouch type, rolling film, vertical form, fill seal, and horizontal pillow packaging type vacuum packaging machines, and capping machines which are widely applied to food, hardware, medicine and cosmetics, chemical, commodity, consumer goods, hardware, and so on industries. Zhongchuang Machinery consistently adheres to the principles of quality-driven and innovative development, strict management, and quest of excellence. We have been committing to providing our customers with better quality and more durable products. High-quality customers first, perfect service, continuing improvement is our guide. By our perfect reputation, strong technology support, considerate service, and innovative team ensures us to fully meet domestic and international customers' requirement. Our products are well sold and became popular in both domestic and overseas market. Strong and reliable online and offline after-sales service are also provided. By constantly improve and innovate our technology, combine advanced technique and experience of the industry, provide reliable, safe, customized solutions for our customers, and one they're deeply trusted. Please do feel free to let us know your requirements in any time. Our professional customer service team is always available to assist with your inquiries. Thank you for your attention.